Hello everyone. So here we are today with something very special for you.
What's that, ma'am?
So, for those students who missed joining the Resolve 2026, we have something very, very exciting. We have Resolve 2.0.
Yes, that's correct. So, on the demand of everybody, of all the students, we've come up with Resolve 2.0, which is live NEET PG classes for from your favorite prep ladder faculty.
So, what all do we have in Resolve 2026? Yes, Dr. Neha?
Yes, so like ma'am said, it is going to be a live NEET PG and FMG program, which is going to cover all 19 subjects. Live classes are going to be held for all the 19 subjects. Test and discussion would be there for all 19 subjects. And what else, ma'am?
So, we also have the PDFs. So, unannotated as well as annotated PDFs will be there so that, those of you who want to write down your notes along with the class, those PDFs will come in very, very handy. You can just, write down your notes while taking the class. So, it becomes a very active and immersive kind of learning experience. And for those of you who could not write, unfortunately, due to some reason or missed out on some parts, we will also be providing with the annotated PDFs for you. And after every subject, we also have live TNDs. So, Dr. Neha, there is some special thing in the TNDs as well.
Yeah, so please tell us.
So
also.
there is NEET PG TND separate and FMG TND separate. So after covering the subject, we have a complete closure for that. So we will be discussing important questions and answers and explanations to the questions, so that once and for all that subject is prepared, done and dusted for NEET PG.
Wow, that's amazing. TNDs are one of the most sought out after things. And on top of it, guys, as you all are aware, we also have Telegram support group offering 24/7 mentorship sessions. And what will be the timings of the classes? So usually on weekdays, we'll have shorter classes, but on weekends, they will be full sessions. You will get the recorded videos. You can download them later as well. And in case, ma'am, what if the classes get cancelled due to some
So
reason?
don't worry, every class is going to be rescheduled and
Yes.
Entire syllabus is going to be completed.
And this entire schedule is jotted down for you, and it starts from tomorrow 15th Feb. And ma'am, the first class is absolutely free for all of you.
Exactly.
So do go to the Prep Ladder app and check out the class. And ma'am, when is the entire schedule
So
getting
by the
over?
end of May, we'll be done with all the subjects. So your preparation, if you make your schedule, align it with this, by the end of May, you will be well prepared for your upcoming NEET PG exams. So
Wow, that's
with, a lot of time remaining for revision as well.
Yes.
So how do we access these live classes?
So all you need to do is there is going to, as you can see over here, there are separate section for live classes with the schedule on the Prep Ladder app. You can also, your progress could also be tracked with daily streaks, total number of videos that you watched, total number of tests taken, and your analysis will also be provided.
Yes, so we will be tracking your progress throughout your journey in this Resolve 2026.
And ma'am, if anybody takes this subscription for live classes, do they get any other advantage?
Of course.
Oh.
So not just the live classes, you're getting the access to the entire Prep Ladder version X videos, the entire Prep Ladder version X QBank, the rapid revision videos, treasures, and mock tests, as well as digital notes. And of course, you can, in addition, opt for hard copy of notes. So that's a separate thing, but you can add it along with it.
Wow, that's amazing. So with the live classes, you have so many added benefits in your subscription.
So Resolve is for FMG or NEET PG. So, we all know that they are, they are just two different exams, but the entire course, the entire syllabus remains one and same for both. The important topics which are important remain important for both the exams.
Yes.
So there is, the syllabus is entirely same. There is no difference whatsoever. We will definitely, in addition, when we are teaching, we will be stressing upon which topics are more important for NEET PG and which topics are more important for FMG. But yes, we'll be covering the entire syllabus for you, whatever is important.
Yeah. So at Prep Ladder, we're giving you that most effective ecosystem for both NEET PG as well as FMG exams. And what's common, so like ma'am said, shared across both the exams, live subject classes, your educators are the same core teaching, mentorship sessions, Telegram community, and of course you'll get all the PDFs as well.
And where do the parts split?
Yeah.
So is there any difference in the preparation for both? Yes. So Dr. Neha, even though the live classes are remaining same, As we've held in the past, we will have, revision sessions separate for both the exams.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, we'll have revision sessions separate, the TNDs are separate, and because the expectations from both the exams are a bit different, so whatever is more important for a particular exam will be given to you separately, so that you don't deviate from your preparation.
So, we already mentioned the TND, we'll have a separate TND, separate set of questions for NEET PG and a separate set for FMG. And that discussion will be completely separate for the NEET PG aspirants and the FMG aspirants. So, even though the entire course and structure would remain the same, but the edge that you get, the questions, the previous year questions, and the exam targeted, the MCQ targeted discussion, that of course we'll be taking up separately for both these exam aspirants.
Like you can see, NEET PG timing test would be 12 to 1:30 and TNDs would be 2 to 6 p.m. and then there would be FMG test 6 to 7:30 and TND from 8 to
8 p.m. onwards. Yeah.
So exam specific mock tests and separate discussions focused on exams.
So now how can we buy this plan? The big question. So this is of course the super elite plan wherein you get not just the access to the live classes, the access to the entire PrepLadder version X, the videos, the Q banks, the treasures, the rapid revision, everything.
And what if you are a premium user? Then all you need to do is you have to upgrade. If you're an elite user existing, you just have to upgrade to the super elite plan.
So the big reveal, of course, the price for the super elite plan, if you enroll now, is $37,999. So what do we do if we already have an elite plan?
Yeah, so if you already are an elite plan user, you just have to upgrade to super elite at a price of rupees 13,000.
Yeah. So the Resolve walkthrough, we already mentioned we have live classes. As soon as you open the PrepLadder, download the PrepLadder app from the Play Store, open it, you will get a prompt for enrolling for Resolve 2026 live classes. So you can click on that and you can see that you will have the entire calendar available, which classes are scheduled when. The previous classes, if you say join a couple of days later,
Yes.
even the previous classes you can access, you have full recordings of those classes entirely available for you.
Yes, you will have all the uploaded videos. So basically, you won't miss out even if you're just a couple of days late. Also, very, very important, you will get regular updates and notifications on the app as well as on Telegram group regarding your test and discussion timings and when it is going to be held.
Absolutely. And of course, you have the technical support team available in case, because it is all said and done, it is an online thing. So there could be some technical glitches, but you have, their phone number, their email ID, and, support available from the technical team as well to take care of that.
Yes. So, ma'am, there is one question that commonly troubles students and they are very curious to know that is Resolve similar to Rapid Revision or is it a replacement for main videos?
So basically, Resolve stands somewhere in between. So it is more detailed than Rapid Revision, but you have structured live teaching, you have the live interaction with your mentors available, you have test and discussion support. So it is somewhere between your main videos and the Rapid Revision.
Yeah, so basically it's more focused, exam oriented than main videos, avoiding too much of unnecessary depth, but at the same time giving you that extra edge for your preparation to solve your MCQs. So basically it's been designed to bridge the gap between conceptual learning and final exam.
Exactly. It will go a long way in strengthening your concepts.
Yes.
So what is the use of this Resolve? When we see the app, we need our self-motivation to open the app, to scroll through it, to, schedule which subject you want to watch when. Today I don't feel like watching, maybe I'll skip it for today, we'll see tomorrow. So Resolve is here to bring in that structure and the discipline in your preparation. So there are no 0 days and you have, a plan that you can follow and stick to.
Yes, a foolproof plan towards your NEET PG and FMG preparation so that we and everyone here is just trying to make sure that you get through your exams, you get the desired ranks, and if it gives you that extra, that much needed confidence, everything is at one place.
So we hope that you will be able to make the best of this Resolve 2.0 2026 for NEET PG students by PrepLadder. And hoping to see you all there. Yes.
And just a quick reminder, it starts from 15th of Feb, and the first class is absolutely free, so you don't have to wait any longer. Do go and check it out.
Yes.
And
all
hoping to see all of you in the class.
Exactly. All the very best. See you there.
See you there.